Welcome to Spring LIB.
To test whether the mean lifetime of the microwaves is greater than 4.3 years, we'll perform a one-sample t-test. The null hypothesis states that the mean lifetime of the microwaves is equal to or less than 4.3 years, and the alternative is that the mean lifetime of the microwaves is greater than 4.3 years. So our null hypothesis is that mu is less than or equal to 4.3, and our alternative is that mu is greater than 4.3. To conduct the test, we need to evaluate or calculate the test statistic and the p-value. So we know that the sample mean is 4.4 years, the sample size is 35, the population standard deviation is 1.668 years, and the population mean is 4.3. So the test statistic, or t-score, is calculated as the sample mean minus the population mean over the population standard deviation over the square root of the sample size. Plugging in values, we get 4.4 minus 4.3 over 1.668 over the square root of 35. And that comes out to 0.35. I don't know what to round to here. I'll go 4.3547. Okay, so now we need to calculate the p-value associated with the calculated t-score, and since the alternative hypothesis is that the mean is greater, we're conducting a one-tailed test. Using statistical software or searching a p-value calculator online or using a t-distribution table, we can find that the p-value corresponding to a t-score of 0.3547 and 34 degrees of freedom at 0.05 is 0.3625. The p-value is greater than our significance level of 0.05, so we fail to reject the null hypothesis. What that means in conclusion is that based on the sample data and the performed hypothesis test, we do not have sufficient evidence to conclude that the mean lifetime of the microwaves is greater than 4.3 years.